Viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with another great project, Leaderbot.com. So Leaderbot.com is official website. The link in the description. So Leaderbot is algorithmic trading. An automatic trading system is a computer program that executes buying and selling operation in financial market automatically, following predefined rules and algorithms. An automatic trading system uses algorithm to analyze market data such as prices and trends and make trading decisions without human intervention. So it's a algorithmic trading, automatic trading board. So market natural strategies. If you scroll down, you can see amazing code. If you understand this deeply, you will understand the board, what board works. So no man is better than a machine, and no machine is better than a man with machine. So Paul Tudor Jones, co-founder of Tudor Investment Corporation, which managed over $39 billion. So if you scroll down, you can see what drives our passion and ignites our purpose. Being a leader at Leaderbot, we embody unwavering perseverance. We comprise a team of seasoned professionals boasting a decade-long expertise in the uh, realm of sophisticated automatic trading system. Our unwavering commitment to deliver excellence, presence, and profitability, empowering individuals seeking to optimize their power within the financial market. So if you scroll down, you can see all the amazing data listed here. So empowering the pinnacle of innovation, our priorities showcase the most advanced automatic trading system employing state of the art algorithms. We curtail risk while maximize gain, ensuring an unparalleled trading experience. We conduct a comprehensive market analysis using sophisticated tools and algorithms. We utilize historical data, technical indicators, and mathematical models to identify patterns and trends, and enabling us to attempt to predict future movement and make information informed investment decisions. So the result speaks to us. So Leaderboard had developed over 200 automatic systems. Current top earning system, you can see a Ninja Trader. Here you can see dashboard is open. Let me explain this dashboard. So here you can see the total price and loss since the date. So here you can see $117,000 and 15% gain this month. And if you track the price and loss of 2017, you will see 78,000, then 20,000, and live price and loss. So here you can see the it's all time high. You can see the graph. It's start from 2022 to, and it's going on. So here you can see the graph is going up and up. That's the bot works. If you scroll down, you can see all the historical data, all the profit, and amazing things here. So if you scroll down, you can see the more system. If you are currently using our system, please click here. So if you click here, you will be redirected to the other page. I will explain the other page as well. So there are also LinkedIn profile. If you want to mail, you can contact the mail at info@leaderbot.com, and there are multiple social media accounts. I will explain. So let's go to the brokers. So you can see there are special offers, 3 special offers. First one is a flexible license valid for 10 years for 10 system units at a one-time payment for $900. So $9,900. And second one is flexible license valid for 15 years for 20 systems units at one-time payment is $17,700. And the third one is flexible license valid for 20 years for 120 system units at one-time payment for $100K. So it's a one-time payment. You don't have to pay for yearly basis or another the bullshit. So you just have to pay for one time, and this is a special offer they are offering. I highly recommend to purchase one of them if you want a high gains in your balance. So here you can see iSystem. What is iSystem? Found out how thousands of traders from the US to Europe have revolutionized their trading with iSystem, and automatic algorithmic trading hands-free platform. Access over 850 plus professionally developed algorithms like Algo App Store, and Algo sync directly to your account, automatically start and stop anytime. So algorithms are dominating its true and terminator markets. So Mark Cuban. And the license system, here you can see all the details about the iSystem. Clients license the rights to system and signals paying a monthly license fee. So select how many units of the system. Typically 1 unit is equal to 1 contact per signal. So here you can see The system licensed Atlas Copper will be $60 per month, and here you can see the one unit. So flexible license allow for the discount fees and across all the developers system. If you scroll down, you can see activating the system. You just have to, once the client have purchased license right to system, the next step is to activate the system. So how many contracts should be traded per signal will be available here, and here you can see you just have to enter the how many contracts, the quantity. After that, the activation code here. So activation code will be immediately activation, immediate it better, one next signal and one next session. So all will be, clients can choose different activation options depending on whether the system is currently in a trade and where the market is relation to the enterprise. All our system are hosted on iSystem servers. So click of any of the broker and access all the systems. So you can see there are multiple systems you are seeing here. So you probably you know some of systems. So here you can see iBroker. Let's go to iBroker. If you open any of them, you will see the website. So this is the iBroker.es system. The site is in Spanish, so you can see explore, choose the system, and then you can subscribe. After subscription, you just have to activate, and then the results will be monitored. So this is how it works, and there are multiple systems you can see. I highly recommend to purchase one of them. All the data is mentioned here. There are 3 special offers, so don't wait the time. So let me explain the token of Letterboard token. So LDT token, our team has meticulously designed a token known as a Letterboard that boosts our precisely regulated circulation of 1 million units, that deliberate limitation assurance as well, managed and stable presence within the market, offering you a unique avenue for potential investment and diversification. By considering the acquisition of Letterboard token, you can gain exposure to be carefully crafted assets with a flexible supply, thereby providing an opportunity to participate in controlled and potentially rewarding investment venture. So take a look on the coin market cap. So you can see the coin market cap link. After the opening the link, you will see all the. So here you can see the token is LDT. So here you can see the LDT over WBNB. This is the token, and token price is 0.004927, and here you can see 1147% up. So it's very going high, so going to the moon. Let me show you the graph. So if you see this graph, I opened the 1 hour time frame. So you can see the candle green and green. So it's boosting and boosting. The current price is 0.00493. I highly recommend to pause the video and go to the link in the description. Go and buy this coin if you don't want to miss the opportunity. So here you can see this is the DEX tool trades, all the DEX tool trades available here, and here you can see the LED DEX pairs. All the data is mentioned here. So you can also contact on the add this token to MetaMask, and this is the pair address. All the address is mentioned here. So let me show you how to add to MetaMask. Just click on MetaMask icon. After clicking MetaMask icon, you just have to enter the password. After entering the password, you just have to sign this contact, add this token. So LDT is the token name, and after adding the token, this is successfully added to my wallet. I can buy it. So let's go to the token again, and let me show you other things. And let's go to the website page of Darwinex. So on Darwinex, you can see diversification is a key of all type of investment, which is why we seek different investment platform to test our strategies. Currently, we are testing the Darwinex platform. To do so, we have created an initial version out there. We plan to create in short term. So all the data is mentioned here. So you can see the Darwinex is coming. So you just have to click on the link. You will be redirected to the website of darwinex.com. So this is how it works. We power trading talent, so connected with investment. So let's go to the FAQ section. If you have any general question, all the general questions are answered here. So does Letterboard venture in the operation with automatic trading iSystem? All the data is mentioned here. So how automatic system is work? An automatic trading system is a computer program that executes buying and selling opportunities in financial market automatically and following predefined rules and algorithms. So automatic trading system use algorithm to analyze market data and such as prices, trends, and make trading decisions without human intervention. So what are the benefits of using automatic system? Benefits including eliminating human emotions in trading decision, trading 24 hours a day, executing trades quickly, and taking advantage of real-time opportunities. So there are multiple questions you can read, and if you have any question, you can go to the contact us page and you can contact them. You can contact on info@leaderboard.com, or you can contact any agent. So you can see, before consulting, a beautiful mind is Adam Smith said that the best result comes from everyone in a group doing what is best for himself, right? That's what he said. Incomplete, okay, because the best result what comes from everyone in the group doing what the best for himself and the group. So here you can see book a consultation. If you have any issue, you just have to enter the name, email, subject, and your message. After that, you just have to click on book now. After booking your reservation, they will contact you. Let me show you the social media accounts. So here you can see. So you can see this is the leaderboard LinkedIn profile. Now let's go to the. So all the links in the description: LinkedIn, email address, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. All the links in the description. So there are copyright disclaimer 2023, and all the disclaimer is written here, so you can read in detail. All the data is mentioned here. So this is the leaderboard. I highly recommend this platform. Algorithmic trading, market nature strategies. So all the data is on the website, and all the links, all the important links in the video description. I highly recommend to follow the links, and if you have any question, you can contact them. So thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.